Spicy mackerel fish curry is one of the best to be served on rice for lunch or dinner. Today I am back with another South Indian cuisine, and the highlight of this dish are bird's eye chilies. The bird's eye chilies are commonly used in Southeast Asian cuisines as it gives a hot and spicy flavor to the curry. Apart from being spicy, they are rich in antioxidants and increases metabolism. With the help of a mortar and pestle, I am going to crush the chilies, shallots and ginger. I have taken almost 35 to 40 bird's eye chilies. Remove the stem before crushing. We are done with the crushing. Now let's start making it. To a heated pot, add quarter cup of coconut oil. Once it gets heated, add the crushed ginger. Saute for a while. Then add in the crushed shallots. Next goes in the crushed green chilies. Continue to saute until the onions change its color. Add some curry leaves. Now the shallots have changed its color. Let's add in the seasoning. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Saute until the raw smell goes off. Add salt to taste. Next goes in 2 cups of thin coconut milk. For the sourness, I am adding 3 pieces of cambodge or kudampuli. Allow to simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add in the fish. I am using 1 kilogram of mackerel. Allow the fish to cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the first extract or the thick coconut milk. Continue to simmer until the fish is completely cooked. Once done, remove from flame and set aside. Now let's prepare the tempering. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. 3 to 4 sliced shallots, salt until they turn brown, some curry leaves, and finally a quarter teaspoon of chili powder. Now the tempering is ready. Pour it over the fish curry. Now the dish is ready to serve. Enjoy the dish in the South Indian way with hot rice or steamed tapioca. So I hope you all enjoyed the making. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.